Hey guys, so I want to do a quick little update today as I'm out here working on the parts car again. The battery rebuild that I did for my little snap-on tool, I charged it up that night after I finished making the video, and it's still going strong. And I used it, have not charged it since, and I've used it to strip the whole interior of this car out so far, which, in case you're wondering, pick you up and give you a quick tour here. Dash is gone. The sun's pretty ridiculous. I got all the HVAC stuff out, gone. Got the dash, the steering column. Still getting the rest of this wiring out. The other side door panels off. And I got a few more items to take out here. And I figured I'd give a quick update on this thing to show that it's still doing its job and still working pretty good. It is a real windy day out here today, so that's why I got you inside the car here, and hopefully the sun, which I just looked at and it blinded me, will let me be able to show you guys a little something. So let's see here. Still going. No problems. I honestly can't believe it has this much capacity to it. The original batteries didn't last this long. They wouldn't have done this entire interior like this without needing to swap out or recharge or something. And it's been outside in some pretty extreme heat and some nice well below freezing since I've done it, which is probably irresponsible on my part to leave battery pack out like that, but it stood the test of time so far. So I'm going to keep on using it. Whoa. Keep on pulling interior stuff apart until I get everything gutted out of this car. The idea is to get all the interior pieces out, hopefully without stripping screws and stuff. This one's a little short. Okay, I got it. The goal is to get all the interior pieces out, everything that I'm going to need, plus things that I might need in the future. I've got the parts here. I want to get as much of it out as possible to possibly be reused. And then once that's out, all I have left holding me up is the front clip, the engine, and the transmission, which will be fairly easy compared to fishing all this wiring out and dealing with interior nonsense and tomfoolery. So once that's going, once I get all this rest of this interior out, pull my power mirrors and the wiring out of the door, there's no connectors from the wiring in the doors on these front doors through the rubber here, nothing here. This is all one piece, so it's got to be fished out. It's all got to be fished out through the door in one shot, which I hear is a pain, but that's what I'm going to do. So once I get this knocked out, I should be having some videos coming of me removing the rest of it. Part 2 of the long tube header deal on these cars, these Crown Victorias, and I should also be having the engine gantry crane that I built put to use. So those videos are forthcoming. It's just with the holidays, it kind of slowed me down a little bit, and weather's been a little wacky, but while I got a decent day to do it, I'm going to do as much as I can. So I figured I'd give you guys a quick update, show you that this bad boy's still going strong. I don't know if you guys want to watch me pull a couple more screws. Not really exciting. Watch me round some off, maybe. Strip them out. I believe there's screws hidden all over. These are not like modern cars where you got a couple things and pop, it all comes out. Each little individual stupid piece is bolted in different ways, and then the door panel's just flat and comes off pretty easy. But I did the other door not that long ago, so you'd think it'd be fresh in my memory. It's not. But I'm going to get this worked out, and remember guys, stay tuned for the next videos that are coming up that are going to be me finishing this thing off. Once this thing is completely stripped down, then I can get rocking into some of my other projects. Get this engine actually put into the 89, which is what I've been waiting to do this whole time, but motivation and time kind of are fighting against me here. So I'm going to keep going with my fancy tool still working, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Helps me out. Even just a like helps me out. And just thank you for people who've been supporting the channel. And thank you for the comments. And just keep coming. All right. Take it easy, guys.